Guys, once again, this is Earl Fanbro, and we are back. This is video number 3 of our 30 for 30 financial challenge. That's right, we're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their journey to financial freedom. Now, in video 1, I won't recap long, but I gave you 2 financial objectives that everyone in this country should meet. Your current lifestyle paid for by your labor, and your future lifestyle must be paid for by your investments. You learned that something has to work, just not you. And at some point, you're going to get tired of working. At some point, you're not going to want to work. And at some point, you shouldn't have to work. But you have to have future investments in place so that one day you won't have to work. Now, video 2 was about one of the 4 challenges that keep you from meeting your financial objectives. It was about inflation, the silent income killer. It just goes into your income and drops it down every single day. It's called free enterprise, and business owners can increase the cost of goods and services whenever they feel like it. It's not a bad thing. It's only a bad thing if your income is limited and you can't outpace inflation. So very few people calculate inflation when they're trying to get ahead of the curve financially. And it's something that you must understand, and it's something that we teach you how to do. So today in video number 3, we're talking about challenge number 2 out of the 4 challenges. Now, if inflation is the silent killer, man, then this would be considered the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. What is it? Taxes. Did you know that most people try to budget their way out of a financial mess and you can't do it? You know why? Because the number one expense that you have are your taxes. So for example, if you make $60K a year and the government takes $20K off the top for taxes, if you have a W-2 that is, then you take home $40,000. Now, where are you seeing another $20,000 come off the top of your paycheck? It's not your clothes, it's not your shoes. Ladies, it's not your husband. Fellas, it's not your wife. It's not eating out. $20,000 went out the door before you even saw it. And that's your biggest expense. It's your taxes. So basically, if you are a W-2 employee, you work for the government a third of the year because they take a third of your check. Now, one of my mentors told me that when he realized that he was working from January to April for the government, that's when he decided to fire his boss 15 years ago at the age of 21, because he realized that he couldn't work for a boss and the government. Now, he didn't tell me to quit my job, but what he did tell me was to learn and understand that the government has curved their way into our life with taxes. Now, this is not about tax evasion. It's about tax minimization. In other words, you already have property taxes. You got sales tax. You got ad valorem tax. You got liquor tax. You got state tax. You got federal tax. And you get all these taxes, but did you know that your income taxes are the one tax that you can control? Yeah, you can control because it's your income. So what do? We teach you strategies that the wealthy use to minimize their taxes. Not hype, not something illegal, not magic, but strategic, but strategies that work that they don't teach us in school. So MINTAX, MINTAX is the key word for the day. That's short for minimize taxes. To get access to these strategies and keep more money in your pocket by minimizing your taxes, text me personally to keyword MINTAX to 704-343-5922. Text MINTAX to 704-343-5922 to start finding out how you can minimize your biggest expense. Again, if you already have our Income Shifting membership, this is not for you. We're helping 30 new families over the next 30 days to start their process of obtaining financial freedom. Until then, I look forward to speaking with you real soon.